Welcome to Fourth Industrial Avenue, your comprehensive guide to the future of technology. We're exploring Crypto.com versus other exchanges today. These platforms facilitate buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Selecting the right one is pivotal for optimal user experience, security, and transaction ease. Key factors to consider include fees, user-friendliness, support, and currency range. Let's dive into the comparison between Crypto.com and other popular exchanges. First, let's take a look at the fees. Crypto.com boasts of competitive rates with a tiered fee structure based on your trading volume ranging from 0.25 to 0.1%. A unique aspect is their discount feature hold their CRO tokens for trading fee discounts, making transactions cost-efficient. Some exchanges offer a flat fee, others a similar tiered approach. But what defines Crypto.com, is this unique discount element. Clearly, fees are a major consideration, but they're not the only factor to consider. Next, let's talk about how user-friendly these platforms are. Crypto.com stands out for its intuitive, easy-to-use interface. It's highly praised for its straightforwardness, ideal for beginners to navigate the crypto maze. Other exchanges often overwhelm users with complex charts and options. While offering advanced features, they can compromise simplicity. Remember, the goal is to make cryptocurrencies accessible to everyone. Ease of use is crucial, especially for those who are new to the world of cryptocurrencies. Now let's discuss customer support and the range of currencies offered. Crypto.com excels with its 24/7 support, known for rapid and efficient responses, outclassing many competitors. This is key in the fast-paced world of crypto trading. Furthermore, it boasts a vast portfolio with over 200 cryptocurrencies for trading, dwarfing many exchanges that offer fewer than 50. This positions Crypto.com as a preferable choice for crypto enthusiasts. Conclusion: Crypto.com seems to be an excellent choice considering its robust customer support and wide range of available currencies. Remember, customer support and the range of currencies are key factors to consider when choosing a crypto exchange. So how does Crypto.com stack up against other exchanges? In terms of fees, Crypto.com offers competitive rates. The platform is user-friendly, catering to beginners and expert investors. Their customer support is dedicated to resolving issues swiftly, outperforming some rivals. Crypto.com also excels in offering a broad spectrum of tradable cryptocurrencies. Despite its strengths, Crypto.com has its weaknesses, like any platform. Always keep your investment needs in mind when considering these points. Thanks for watching Fourth Industrial Avenue. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when we upload a new video. Always remember, the information presented on this channel is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.